Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. How much does Gemini charge to withdraw? Now, before I get into the details, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. So, if you have any questions about your specific situation, you should always talk to a qualified professional. But with that said, let's get started. What is Gemini? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a variety of digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's a relatively new exchange, but it's quickly gaining popularity thanks to its low fees and user-friendly interface. How does Gemini make money? Gemini makes money in two ways. Transaction fees. Gemini charges a fee every time you buy or sell a cryptocurrency. The fee amount varies depending on the type of cryptocurrency you're trading and the size of your trade. Spread. Gemini buys cryptocurrencies at a slightly lower price than it sells them. This difference, known as the spread, is how Gemini makes money on its trades. How much does Gemini charge to withdraw? Now, let's get to the question that you're all here for. How much does Gemini charge to withdraw? The good news is that Gemini's withdrawal fees are relatively low. In fact, they're one of the lowest in the industry. Here's a breakdown of Gemini's withdrawal fees. Bitcoin, $0. Ethereum, $0. Litecoin, $0. Bitcoin Cash, $0. Cash, $0. As you can see, there are no fees associated with withdrawing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, or Cash from Gemini. However, there are some other fees that you should be aware of. Network fees. When you withdraw cryptocurrency from Gemini, you'll need to pay a network fee. This fee is charged by the blockchain network, not by Gemini. The amount of the network fee will vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing and the current state of the network. Exchange fees. If you're withdrawing cryptocurrency to a wallet that you don't own, Gemini may charge you an exchange fee. This fee is typically around 0.25%. How to withdraw cryptocurrency from Gemini? Withdrawing cryptocurrency from Gemini is easy. Here's how to do it. Log into your Gemini account. Click on the Wallet tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the address of the wallet you want to withdraw to. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Tips for saving money on Gemini withdrawal fees. Here are a few tips for saving money on Gemini withdrawal fees. Withdraw larger amounts of cryptocurrency at once. This will help you to reduce the network fees that you'll pay. Use a wallet that doesn't charge any fees. There are a number of wallets available that don't charge any fees for receiving cryptocurrency. Withdraw during off-peak hours. Network fees are typically higher during peak hours. By withdrawing during off-peak hours, you can save money on fees. Gemini is a great exchange for buying and selling cryptocurrency. Its low fees make it a good choice for both beginners and experienced traders. If you're looking for an exchange with low withdrawal fees, Gemini is a good option. However, it's important to be aware of the other fees that may be associated with withdrawing cryptocurrency from Gemini. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I'll see you next time.